be ahead. That's all from us. Join us again tomorrow morning in Breakfast News.
A look at the weather now on BBC One with Peter Cockcroft.
Good evening. The summer seems to have come to a close now, with more changeable, rather cool weather across the British Isles during the week ahead. And there's also going to be some wet and windy weather. The first batch of that will move into northwestern parts of the British Isles through tonight and tomorrow. It's all down to this developing area of low pressure, which will throw its weather fronts at us through the next 24 hours. At the moment, though, the wettest weather is on the eastern side of Scotland. And as you can see here, those heavier bursts of rain indicated by the brighter colours are moving out into the North Sea, and that rain will continue to do that during the next few hours. Then, of course, we'll be turning our attention to the Atlantic, with the winds picking up over Northern Ireland, up the western side of Scotland, perhaps touching gale force at times, and that heavy persistent rain moving into the province and also into the Western Isles by tomorrow morning. Relatively quiet night further to the south and east. Underneath this little ridge of high pressure, clear skies, light winds, perhaps temperatures as low as 8 or 9 Celsius, and that could be low enough for a little bit of mist and fog to form in some of the river valleys and around some of the lakes. But that's going to be short-lived tomorrow. A lot of sunshine around during the morning across England and Wales, but a completely different story for Northern Ireland. It's certainly going to be wet and windy there all day, with some very heavy bursts of rain also up the western side of Scotland. Now, the rain will actually push across to the eastern side of Scotland, but to the east of the mountains, I think the rain is going to be light and patchy. By the afternoon, some spots of rain turning up in Cumbria, and then later on in the afternoon into the evening, perhaps some more persistent rain there, and also the chance of some persistent heavier rain turning up on the west coast of Wales and also across Devon and Cornwall later on in the day. So it means the sunshine turning rather hazy across central parts of England, with the best of the sunshine lasting longest in the southeast. So that's where we can expect top temperatures of around about 21 Celsius. Now, during Wednesday, that weather system will eventually cross England and Wales by Thursday, with westerly winds, a mixture of sunshine and showers, and that little weather front in the north indicating that the showers will be most frequent and heaviest up there across Northern Ireland and Scotland. Now, the weather system might have a little bit of a hiccup on it on Wednesday as it crosses England and Wales, and that could bring some fairly heavy, persistent, thundery rain for a time before it clears the southeast, with those showers coming in behind. And then by Thursday, those heavy showers, blustery showers in the north, showers in the south, few and far between.
He's been around the world. He's taken us pole to pole. Now BBC One brings you his most ambitious journey ever. 50,000 miles through 18 countries, around the Pacific Rim.
How many bags will you be checking today?
43. Is this travel or work? Some Chinese asked me.
To travel and work. To see the country.
See, I'm in Holland, but I'm also in Japan. It's all very zen.
It's rather like the first day at school, watching everyone else and hoping not to make some terrible gaffe.
There's a cup of tea.
Just as I'm wondering what it must be like to be hit so hard, I'm offered the chance to find out. I'm in a world which nothing I've ever experienced has prepared me for.
Somebody told you I was coming.
Because of the changes to the schedule, Full Circle with Michael Palin will begin again this Sunday at 8 on BBC One. This is BBC One, a tribute now as we look back and remember the life of Diana, the People's Princess.
London.